show, starring Cooper Smidge. Well, I'm making pizza. My mom preheated it for the pizza, and she burned the chocolate muffin. So I'm gonna lock her in her room for 3 weeks. Step 1, preheat the oven to 40 or 25 degrees. Step 2, get your ingredients. Ooh.
It's time for sauce now, Cooper. That's great. That's... Okay. Good?
Hold still.
No, don't you? All right, Cooper. You gotta finish Mommy and Daddy's pizza. What's next for Mommy and Daddy's pizza? What are you putting on there?
Cheese.
Yeah, Mommy and Daddy like cheese. So Cooper, the next thing you're gonna put on Mommy and Daddy's pizza is?
Veggies.
Yeah. Now Cooper, do you like veggies on your pizza? Or are veggies just for Mommy and Daddy?
It's on my pizza. Yuck.
Yeah, so the veggies are for, let's see if I can spread them out a little bit. Can you spread them out for me? So the ones with the veggies and stuff, those are for Mommy and Daddy. Cooper's graciously making them for us even though he doesn't like the veggies. Okay, spread these out too. Great. Okay, you ready for the meat? Can you put the meat on there for Mommy and Daddy? So Cooper, what do you like on your pizza?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Just sauce.
You want to tell them what else you're going to have for dinner tonight, or is it a secret?
I'm gonna have
Great. We're going to make maybe some soup and maybe some squash.
tomato sauce.
Okay, so what are we going
Tomato
to
soup.
what are we going to do with those now? We're going to put them in the oven very carefully. Yeah, here, let me put this all in the sink. And let's get ready to put those in the oven. Hold on. So, Coop, we're going to put them, tell the audience what you're going to do. Say, audience, I'm going to put them in the oven.
So I'm gonna put them in the oven.
Bring it over.
While the pizzas are cooking, I'm gonna go for a scooter ride.